focusing now.
I can't get a
Focus.
on him. There he is. Night shot's
Super.
better.
Yeah. He just spotted it.
Probably.
Yeah.
I don't know, I haven't come in yet. He's probably trapped his tail in that thing. Now he's gonna get his head stuck in
You
there.
let the cat go? I want to get her.
Okay, let me film it. Okay, go ahead.
Come on. She smells it. She smells him.
We're gonna film this.
The cat's gonna get the mouse and we're gonna get it on film.
He's trying to get away bad.
Look at her.
Turn around and stick her right in there and let her see it.
Yeah, that thing is scared. She knows he's there.
She ain't done nothing to him.
No, but I don't know why.
That's called
Weasley!
a non-mouse and cat.
Want me to go to Paris?
He'll get it.
You want me to?
No,
Oh, come on. Let him have a little treat.
I think he's stuck in there now. We got one there?
Yeah.